In this video, we're going to look at the Markdown component for Elements. Now, the Markdown component allows you to write in native Markdown while seeing a live preview of it in your site. So I've got a demo project here, and we're going to replace this text with a Markdown component. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the Markdown component and I'm going to drop it into my site. And to edit a Markdown component, there's two ways to do this. One, you can right click, say Edit Markdown, and the other way is to press the icon up in the toolbar to show the inspector. So now I have this, I can just type in here and everything will get updated as we go. So this is a new heading and you can see it gets updated within my site. Oops, let's add another new heading. So this is great, and I could carry on typing in here and styling this how I like and using all the standard Markdown syntax. So I can make this bold, and we've got italic, and then I've got a link here. Now to style this content, this is using the styling from the Theme Studio Typography setting. So currently it's set to article. So if we wanted to change the look of this, we would open the Theme Studio and go to the typography section, and I have the article styling here, and what we'd like to do is override this, and this allows you to change all of these settings and make it your own. So we can see this is a H2 heading because there's two hashes there, and we can just change the size of this, so you can see that changing there live. So and we can change the text color as well, so I could have this as red. So you can see how easy this is to work with, that I can write in Markdown and then I can come in here and style it and everything will get a consistent look. So that's just a quick look at the Markdown component. If you have any more questions, please check out the manual and ask any questions on the forum because we're always around to help out. All right, thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next.